All right, well, it's pretty close, 60 to 40%. Which one you like better? We'll check back with that a little later in the newscast. Oh, I'm climbing on you,
Climbing on me?
Closer or whatever. I'm shimmying closer.
Shimmy up the top of that pole.
I am.
Just like the raccoon.
Don't make fun of me, man.
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
I like the sound effects that you came with it. You're like...
The little nails.
Yeah.
It's the noise that nails make on my linoleum.
What color suit does he have on?
Black?
It's
Gray?
blue.
What?
It's blue.
It's pink.
Uh-huh. Why are we talking about a suit color?
You're wearing orange.
Because
yes,
the boots
and as are you,
pink.
and as are you.
As in Illini, orange and blue, or it could be Texas orange.
The game starts tonight, right?
Game starts tonight, a little bit after 8 o'clock tonight. Illinois' first big test of the year. We will break it down for you.